Hello, my name is Teacher Jay, and today we're going to do your speaking test. Can you tell me your name, age, where do you live, and what do you do during your free time?
Hello, my name is Tommy. I'm 13 years old. I'm living in Bình Minh, Hanoi, and in the free time I often play game or sleep.
Now here, can you tell me the musical instruments, okay?
It's the drum, piano, guitar, violin,
recorder,
trumpet,
flute,
saxophone.
Now here, musical genres. This one is
pop, hip hop, musical,
classical,
rap,
reggae,
rock, heavyweight,
heavy metal. Can you play a musical instrument?
No,
I can't. What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
Are you sure, pop?
Yes.
Okay. Now here you're just going to tell me the physical descriptions. Here you're just going to read. Now, which one here is Olivia? This one, just read first. Olivia
is short and very slim. She has long, blonde, wavy hair and blue eyes. She has braces. She's about 50.
Which one do you think here is? 4.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Olivia. Okay. Now here, can you tell me the important events of your life? Like here, I was born in.
I was born in Hadong in 1311.
Oh. How about the year?
2011.
Okay.
I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 5 years old. I started elementary school when I was 11 years old. I started junior high when I was 13 years old.
No, here, elementary school, 11, are you sure? Maybe 6 or 7.
No.
No, okay. Were you at school yesterday? Yes, I was. No,
yes.
I wasn't.
Yes, I was.
Yesterday, Saturday?
Yes.
Did you do your homework last night?
No.
No, I didn't. What did you do last weekend?
I played badminton and sleep.
What's the weather? Okay, what's this?
Sunny.
Cloudy.
Rainy.
Windy.
Foggy. Windy.
No.
Snowy.
Storm. Tornado. What was the weather like yesterday?
Yesterday hot.
Was hot and
Yeah.
sunny. How about today? What's the weather like today?
Hot.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Now movie types, action,
Horror movie, love story, classic,
new,
music, cartoon, fantasy,
comedy,
science
and fiction.
and fiction.
Now can you tell me about the last time you went to the movies?
The last time I went to the movie was 3 months ago. I went with my family. We watched a flower. It was
The movie type? Is horror or
It's
cartoon?
cartoon.
Okay.
The movie started at 8:30 and it's end at 10:30. The movie was good.